When I was little, I had a big joke book with a chapter of Moron jokes. Why did the moron throw his clock out the window? He wanted to see time fly. The term originated over a century ago as part of the fake science of eugenics, which morphed into Nazism. As humanity progressed, it was discarded and replaced by more sensitive language. It's now being rehabilitated via the President of the US, as if a global collective unconscious decided it's the only way to describe him. His own Secretary of State called him a moron. Rex Tillerson didn't deny it, he just refused comment.
There were a number of people around, and the Secretary called the President a moron.
The reporter who broke the story was miffed for her own reason.
My source didn't just say that he called him a moron, he said an effing moron.
After I wrote a column on PBS series about the Vietnam War, I got a letter from an ex-GI back then named Hamilton Gregory. He became an anti-war protester and wrote a 2015 book about a little-known Vietnam-era program that lowered mental standards for joining the armed forces. By war's end, it sent 354,000 soldiers into that grinder. He called his book McNamara's Folly, after the Secretary of Defense then. Those men tragically died at higher rates due to their limitations, which is why they were excluded at the start. They became known as McNamara's morons. Now the US government has apparently expanded the program by one more position. The book, by the way, was praised by many officials, including, strikingly, Trump's National Security Advisor, General H.R. McMaster, whose blurb is on its cover. Maybe he was ironically anticipating the reign of his effing moron boss. For the Toronto Star, I'm Rick Salutin.